Hi, my name is Sarah Hartraft. I am from a small town in Pennsylvania. I currently work as a program supervisor for a company that supports adults with disabilities. Through this company, I feel as though I've gained some assets that could attribute to this class in terms of I work with different populations, such as those diagnosed with mental health, those diagnosed with medical concerns, as well as those diagnosed with sexually deviant behaviors. So that kind of gives a broad spectrum of different areas in which I have to help in terms of therapy sessions. I have to help in terms of developing their individualized support plan, or I have to help in terms of working with hospitals and working with the social workers that are in the hospitals. I feel another asset is that I have to do a lot of communicating in terms of talking to the community members for one. For they live in a community living setting, so talking to neighbors, making sure everybody feels safe around them. Talking to family members, talking to the actual county, and determining financial aspects and how much they are willing to pay per unit based on their behavioral concerns. I also feel that another asset would overall just be my leadership skills. I have been in a supervisory role for the last 7 years. 7 out of the 11 years that I have experience in this field. So I feel like all of them combined will give me wonderful attributes to contribute to this class.